Fax machine. An old compressed black and white fax transmission needs to be decompressed. The format of the compression is a series of numbers. As such, the first number is the width of the decompressed image. The second number is the height of the decompressed image. The starting color is black. The third and remaining numbers are the number of pixels to draw from left to right, then top to bottom of the current color. After that number of pixels is filled, then the color swaps. The following fax: 8, 3, 10, 10, 4. Produce the following 8x3 output where asterisk is black and quotation space is white and line is added as the left and right border. So this is basically the example. This puzzle was inspired by this, which has a very similar encoding system. This encoding system is similar modified Huffman coding, which the earliest digital fax machines used. So this is the website of the modified Huffman coding. I'm going to use JavaScript. So the first line is basically the width. The second line is the height. The third line is integers describing the compressed fax. The output is basically rows with fax output of asterisks and columns surrounded by the line. The constraints are 1 less than equal width is and height is less than equal to 100. So for example, the following fax will produce this. There's 5 test cases for me to solve. The first one is the example. The second one is half black, half white. The third one is hello. The fourth one is heart. And lastly, the fifth one is inverse. So now it's time to complete this puzzle.